Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your Bistro Standard Shelving Unit, step by step. Before you start, make sure you have all the parts from your kit. Your kit includes 3-way end joints, 2-way joints, ceiling and wall flanges, an Allen key, grub screws, set screws, and metal tubes. Begin by using tape to mark where the flanges will go. If you're assembling a double bay unit, repeat this for all 3 flange positions. Now, start building the ladder by attaching the flanges and connectors to the smaller tubes. Slide the vertical tubes into place so they connect with the smaller tubes, then add the flanges on top. Tighten all tubing connections securely using the grub screws. Position the unit according to your tape markings. Mark the screw hole positions, then drill at each marked spot. Place the unit back in position and secure it by inserting the screws through all the flanges. If you're using wall flanges with no holes, set the unit aside for a moment. Using a caulking gun, apply adhesive where each flange will sit. Place the unit back in position and apply tape around all the flanges to hold them in place while the adhesive sets. Begin by sliding the shelving racks into place. Once it's aligned, set it onto the shelving tubes. If the side space is tight, remove one of the front vertical tube first. Carefully slide the shelving racks into position, then reattach the front tube. If you're assembling a double bay unit, remove the front center tube first, and then begin placing the racks. And that's it. Your Bistro Standard Shelving Unit is now fully assembled and ready to use. With just a few simple steps, you're all set.